Corey Lewandowski, based on what you've seen on the tape, now we find out also that the prosecutor that charged him is a member of this pro-Hillary group down there in Florida. What's your take on the charges, and did he break the law?
Well, look, if he did, you have to have to commit a crime, even a misdemeanor, you have to have an intent to do it. And when I look at the tape, it's question. You can't judge intent by a tape, but it certainly doesn't look like anything other than he was trying to get this reporter away from the candidate. Now, a simple battery charge is a misdemeanor, and that's not a hard element of proof to show. But I will tell you two things. One, Steve, it's not going to trial. There's not going to be a trial on this. This is a misdemeanor. It's going to be probably pled out. He doesn't have any priors, so I don't expect anything significant there. And it's a question of, did he have the intent to cause a crime, the crime of battery? And I think that, is not easy for the prosecutor to prove. He may have committed a battery. I mean, that's going to be for a jury to decide, but it's not going to ever be decided by a jury. It's not going to trial. I think this is a distraction at this point, quite frankly.
All right. Well, I'm glad to hear you say that, because I couldn't agree with you more from a layman's point of view.
It's tussle of a political campaign when you've got the candidate surrounded by 100 people, and he saw something he was concerned with, and he made a move. I mean, so that doesn't mean, again, they got to prove criminality. Could it be criminal? Yeah, but you got to establish that beyond a reasonable doubt there has to be criminal intent. It's a pretty tough case.